What's up everyone, Nick from Subimods here today. I'm dressed down a little bit on this one. I know normally everyone likes to see the top 5 with the suit on and the whole rendition, but we're gonna give it a different shot this time, do a little bit more of a laid out presentation for everyone. So this is top 5 22 WRX. So we're gonna start down here. This is our number 5 this month. It's a bit of a new product that's coming back up for the new WRXs, lowering springs by Whiteline. So a lot of times customers will say, well, we should, always do coilovers. Well, there's pros and cons to everything. And if you want ultimate ride quality, right? If you want the best ride quality possible without sacrificing the look of the car, lowering springs get you about an inch drop. They're going to clean up that wheel gap. You're going to retain OEM ride quality, or as close to it as possible, right? And the Whiteline offerings are one of the best that we've seen. They come in at number 5 this month. So next up, this could have been a little bit higher, but this is still a new product. These are the Molded Innovations front and rear emblems. This is the Gen 2 series. So a lot of customers are already pretty acclimated with doing front and rear emblems on these cars. The Gen 2s change it up a little bit. Rather than having an entire gel-coated emblem, it's gonna have a actual colored base with raised stars. So the actual ring and the stars themselves are integrated into one. So you get that nice kind of 3D look. We've also kind of changed up the way we're offering the ring colors. We've had some customers ask for the chrome, right? It's not a common request, but it was enough that we invested in offering chrome. So again, great first mod for you guys looking to do something, get some style out of it, and a simple one nonetheless. So coming in at the number 3 spot this month is the IIG Aerial Separators. So if you're familiar with Subarus, you know that they do have issues with blow-by. Blow-by is defined as oil mixing in with the intake track, and that can have some detrimental effects to these cars. Obviously, at the least, it can increase carbon buildup, which is a problem, especially on the direct injection models. At the worst, you can have issues with combustion, right? You can have oil mixing with the fuel, and you can theoretically have degraded performance that is detrimental to the vehicle. This isn't one of those modifications that anyone's overjoyed to buy, but this is a cheap insurance modification, right? We are very cognizant on that, we are going above and beyond what these cars were designed at the factory level, right? You're increasing the performance, you're expecting more out of the engine, you're requiring more out of the engine. So why would you not want to do something that can help prolong the optimal performance of your vehicle? So again, IIG Aerial Separators, you can get a little style out of them. You see the wrinkle black, the wrinkle red, and then the neon yellow. We also do some custom versions as well, hyper teal, hyper pink, world rally blue. So there's a lot of ways to kind of at least get some enjoyment out of the style upgrade on this one. So definitely take a look at that if you're going towards the performance side of this vehicle. Number 4 from Compressive Tuning out of California is their pulley cover. So they released this with their VB suite. They did their mirror caps, they did the overall intake manifold cover, pulley cover, and then I believe the last one was the Formula hood scoop. It's another beautiful piece from Compressive. Again, it's not gonna reinvent the car, but it's one of those things where if you're going to shows, you want to pop your hood, you definitely want to have a piece that's designed very nice. Compressive puts their badge on it. I'm not going to peel the sticker off, but you'll also see they've done some nice recessed cuts. And overall, it's a minimalistic piece that is going to upgrade the style of the engine bay. These are selling very well. We just got a restock of them. So again, take a look at this if you're into the style of, upgrading the engine bay. Last one, this is a big mod, right? Rotora brake kits. So what we're gonna feature today is their 6.4 offering. It's the same kit that we're using on our VB WRX. We're gonna feature it with their slotted rotors, but they also do have drilled, although primarily we are stocking the slotted version. Massive front rotors. The 6-piston, 4-piston kit comes in a variety of colors. You're looking at the green here. We also have like in stock World Rally Blue. We can pretty much do any customization with Rotora for colors as well. So they have everything from a street challenge kit, which is designed for you guys who, want to have an upgraded stopping power system for the road. Guys who are going to the track in the autocross, we can step it up to the super challenge and really figure out what brake pad is right for you as well. So that's one of the cool things about Rotora, is very modular, very able to live with the car. So pad changes are super easy. We've done a few of them at the track, figuring out the right pad. Obviously includes all the brackets, brake lines, bolts, hardware, everything you need to put it on. And again, this is a great kit designed for the VB WRX. Right now, it is only going to be offered for manual vehicles, but we do expect automatic versions to be coming out as well. So for the GT, CVT owners, you're going to have something down the line as well. Something big to look at too when you're doing a brake system on these cars. At the end of the day, you want to buy a kit that's right for you. So truthfully, you may not need a 6.4 if you're going just simply on the street. Rotor offers 4.2 kits. We can even do 6.2. So there's plenty of customizations for what you need for your brake setup. So give the team a call, talk to them, and we'll get you set up with a brake system that cures your stopping needs. So other than that, again, another rendition of the top 5, and then we'll be back again next month for another version of this with a new plethora of products for you guys. Thank you again. Like, comment, subscribe. If there's anything you want to see as well, please feel free to drop that in the comments. We'll do everything we can to meet your guys' needs. Thank you again.